Hi, I'm Sophia. I study further maths, physics and chemistry at the college.
So my name's Raj and I study further maths and physics at this college.
So I picked further maths because I thought I had a very good grasp of what was in A-level maths, and I want to take that to the next step with A-level further maths.
I chose further maths because I particularly like having an understanding on equations and different types of questions, whereas I felt with studying maths alone would put me in a situation where I'm not fluent enough to have a deeper understanding of these methods we use to solve these questions. For a typical lesson, we'll start up with a warm-up question which can be from a previous topic, and a lot of the times we usually start our questions to link old topics to new topics that we're going to be starting to learn. It's quite nice as a quick refresher and as a sort of entryway to our new topics.
At the math department we have read books where we take in key examples and notes, and the teacher will go through it. One of my teachers goes through it with a visualizer, so we're copying his notes and he's explaining it, and he'll ask people questions. And then there's also time to practice in textbooks and exercises to make sure that the knowledge is going in your head and you're able to have that mathematical fluency, I guess.
I like further maths because it gives harder problems, which allows us to dive into the questions with more thorough work, and it also makes us be able to understand what each question is about and how every topic we do links into that question. For example, we can have one or two different topics linking into the same question, which really makes us focus on our core understanding of each topic.
I think I really like the support, as in this college we're all taught as one big class. We're for our A-level math and our further math, so we spend 10 hours a week together, so I guess we all know each other very well.
With our learning we have this thing called intervention, which is once every 2 weeks we have an extra 30 minutes with our class. This allows for our teacher to give us either class support. For example, this can be through homework. We can call for the teacher and they can come and help us, or through any problems we have in lesson.
We have a lot of support at the college, so for example with Oxbridge applications I've had a lot of support from my teachers. I've had practice interviews as well as support with some of the math admissions tests, and I found that really useful, and it's also helped a lot of my A-levels, just developing those problem solving skills that are required to get the high grades that I want to achieve. My advice would be that if you think you're at a high achieving level, for example achieving an 8 or 9 at GCSE, and you really enjoy maths, then further math is definitely the right pick, and just work at the start. Don't leave everything till the last minute, but if you work consistently, you got it, you'll be fine.
If you're taking further maths, I would advise you to start either pre-reading the content ahead or start relearning old topics to make sure you have a good base understanding of your GCSE foundational skills, because your GCSE skills will lead into your A-level math skills, which are your core foundational skills for further maths.
My plans after college are to study sciences, natural sciences, hopefully at Cambridge, but we'll see, and otherwise chemistry.
After college I plan to do computer science at university, following that specialising into cybersecurity.